Some proven tips for effective affiliate marketing. In today's world, in order for modern businesses to survive, they must rely on other companies to help them acquire customers and traffic. This kind of business help is considered to be affiliate marketing. If you wish to use affiliate marketing to ensure the success of your business, then follow these tips. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. Keep searching for high commissions. A company that only pays a tiny percentage is much less likely to value your customer/reader base. Look out for those that offer a commission in at least the double-digit percentage range. These companies are more likely to respect their clients, and by default, yours. Check the company's reputation. Working with a company who has a bad reputation is pretty obviously a bad idea, but dig a little deeper to see how their underlying reputation looks. They may have undisclosed issues, like a lawsuit that hasn't made the news yet. You don't want to affiliate yourself with a company that will, in the end, damage your reputation as well. As stated before, businesses need the help of other businesses to help them gain customers and site traffic. Businesses use this affiliate marketing as a more profitable alternative to self-promotion, which may not net as many gains. Using the tips in this video, you too can gain the benefits of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.